Hey, it's Ray, and we're going to go through the trade opportunities today. It's Thursday, August 29th, 12 p.m. One more hour until the market closes. Let's look at all our potential opportunities. So we've got Oracle coming up above the 10, above the 50, not bad. Equifax, I don't know. Ralph Lauren, above 10. A lot of these are above 10. Campbell Soup. I think the way that we're going to do this, we're just going to copy this over, pop it in a new watch list. You know what I'm saying? And then from here, you go to candle glands, and you can see that Allstate, AMAT is finding a bounce. Amazon's finding a bounce. At the end of the day, these are kind of downtrends. This is finding a support level. Dollar General had earnings, but it's already been in a bad situation since before earnings. So knowing that, I'd go short here. Dollar Tree as well. I think that was something that Kevin was looking at. Equifax, look at this. This is the type of trends we want. Melly is, I think, the Amazon of like Latin America. Some Juniper, look at that. We want to be in Juniper. We had signals back here, and it kind of consolidated, popped. ServiceNow's looking good. Oracle, PG&E up 3.38%. That's a lot for a stock that trades like this, man. But look at this. We had a sold all the weekends to the 50-day, and just slow accumulation for the entire month. And then today we got the pop. I don't know why. Maybe earnings. We'll see. Yum Brands, not really a fan of the sideways action. ExxonMobil, I got caught in this sideways action. Bought it here. 2 days of sell-off, up 1.74 today. I'm still in it. We'll move this over to the freaking trading view. We're going to create a new watch list for today. Sorry, man. My shit's in the way. Pop it in. Go in here. Look at the new one. Oh, Dollar General, my man. Earnings report. Look, we're just gonna do line charts for now. Dollar Tree down. It's been down though, right? Like we could have took positions here, maybe positions here, definitely around here. Like just looking at the moving averages. And NetApp, at the end of the day, is still in the uptrend to me. It's down 8% on earnings. Good earnings. We'll have to look into it. Campbell Soup, I mean, still in some sort of uptrend. I'll keep it on the watch list to go long. Kroger, not a fan of this consolidation area here, but I'd like to see it go up. Same for CRM, not a fan in this consolidation area. Would like to see it bounce and go up above this blue line. Above this level 272-ish, it's good. AMAT, look, if you were a genius, you would have bought it back in October. You make a lot of money, but now it's like, I'm just gonna like go like that, maybe some of that. I don't know. We'll see. Edison found resistance here. Edison found resistance, but at the end of the day, that's called a rally and a consolidation. So I'll keep it on the watch, actually. So something we might do is go to this chart, boom. It's a retest, cleared long. Right here is a clear short, though. Yum Brands. Look, Yum Brands, you just in some sort of consolidation. And then right here, try to bottom. Right here was like support right here. So you rally from 125 to 135. Let's keep going. Yo, Equifax, keep this on your list, man. You could have bought here. You could have bought here. You could have bought maybe here. Let me see if I can do this correctly. Nope. Yo, this is something I'm gonna train for my GPT, right? This is just pure strength. So GPT, this right here, Equifax later. Amazon, look, again, winner since November's earning, man. You know what I'm saying? But now we're gonna do double dip like that. You know what I'm saying? Allstate, we're keeping Allstate in the Allstate because this is a good look, right? We're gonna GPT this. This is a good look. I'm just gonna clear the chart right quick. Another one. We had the signal to go long back in July 25th, my boys. All right. Look, we broke above here. It's been running. Ralph Lauren doubled bottom, but I'm not convinced yet. I'm not convinced. Look, not bad. Like if we can have another pop up back to the highs, I'm not against it. I'm gonna put on my watch this because what the hell is this? The MACD looks good. MACD looks good. Emerson Electric, again, it was a good trend. Then we dropped, and I'm expecting this, unfortunately. Medley, one for the row, baby. All right. Trimble is like just looking at look. The levels here, and we're above it. We're above it. We had a buy back here. MACD's looking all right. It's not my favorite. It's not my favorite in the world. But it's worth. I mean, look, it's not my favorite, all right, but it's constructive, right? That's what they say. I don't know. This is not a fan of the look. Oracle, you just got to keep it on, man. You know, these enterprise tech company, higher close, Trimble. Could have bought here, could have bought there. I ain't even gonna go. Teradyne just been, look, if you catch the right Teradyne, you're gonna get the Teradyne, you know what I'm saying, bro? IDEX is just, we'll call this an entire range right here, my man. Fang, I mean, it's an energy stock. It's all right. I mean, ANET got looks. ANET got looks. What am I looking at? I'm looking at this white bar. I'm looking at this purple bar, which is the 20 and 50-day moving average. We've got this 10-day moving average, which is a green one. We've got this green line here, which is not a moving average, and we got a buy signal today. Net new signal. If we look at it like this, I don't like here. It's like not proven. It's not proven in a 10-day still sell. Not clear, no play, right? So we're not going to fuck with that. Here's some short opportunities. ExxonMobil, I'm in this one for days. It got net new buy signal here, so I'm gonna hold it. But I've been bought it like right here 2 days ago. So Skyworks, VST. Oh shit. I mean, just keep going, my boys. Marvel. This is a semiconductor. EPAM, I don't like the look. If anything, I'm going short this. ServiceNow, we're gonna keep ServiceNow. Net new buy, bro. Net new buy. So if you're trying to get hit, you can go for it. PCG is good to go from here, but shit, but pharmaceutical looking for. I mean, look, if we're below this red line, you just got to go short. All right, we're definitely not trying to long this right here. All right, we're just not. Maybe if it blasts us up, and I'm wrong, right? Oh shit, the what the fuck is this? Earnings? No clue what they do. Medical supplies. The Cooper companies. Who knows? Who knew? BBY, how we ended with this one? How are we looking with BBY? Best Buys. Didn't even know this still existed. Here's how they look. Trying to be somebody up here. This is Best Buy trying to be somebody. How to buy signal back here, but like we'll see where it goes. Let's double check yesterday's shit. I'm in a lot of greens. A line. Fang. I'm just gonna bob it. Pod had a buy here. Hawaiian Holdings, no clue. Schmuckers. Yo, this is a sell right here, no? All right. So spies. We're looking at spies. Today's action was interesting, right? We opened, we hit a new high, we hit a high, and then now we're at the low. So we zoom in at the 10-minute. This is my 10-minute. We'll take off some of this shites. Actually, that's why I created. That's why I created something like this, my boys. There's nothing on it. All right. So today's action, what we do? Spies. All right. So today's spies. Look, we got the high over here on Monday. The Monday's high. We couldn't reach Monday's high. So what I would do is I'll put a anchor VWAP on that first hour there. And today we had a freaking rally, right? And then I don't know what happened at what time. What is this? 11 o'clock? Who the fuck did that? You know what I mean? It's like, at the end of the day, I would say we are called range bound. I'll call it range bound since this day, or maybe even these 2 days. So I'll call it Friday and August. Friday the 16th and August the 19th, we kind of been range bound after this gap up, right? So don't forget, we've got an unclosed gap here. We've got an unclosed gap here and an unclosed gap here. So we go into the daily, you know, you're going to see clearly we've been in this little range bound motion with some freaking gaps, all right? So anyways, appreciate you tuning in. This is my my review for the day. If you'd like some help in understanding how to trade markets on a swing trading basis, or use this indicator that I have here, that's quite smooth right here. It's really simple, man. We're just looking for yellow ones to sell or buy. Hit me up, give me a DM, or I have a free school community if you want to learn to trade for free. There's some information in there. All right, tune it up. Bye.